So we're going to play Airsoft at Combat, well, Thetford in Norfolk, I think. Yeah.
Game we call Rush. Okay, mainly because I'm a big fan of Battlefield 4 and Battlefield 6 is coming out, and they better have a Rush game mode in it. Right? Nice and simple. Okay, blue team, you're going to start on the attack first. Okay, on your team are going to be 5 players with white armbands. These are your high value targets. Your objective, guys, is to first fight your way down into the silo, and you need to get all 5 of your HVTs in that position. Once all 5 of your HVTs are in that position alive at the same time, the marshals will start shouting out the word advance, advance, advance. When you hear that call, that means you've now claimed that position. That becomes your new respawn point, okay, and you can move up and fight your way into sector 2, which is the comm site here. Same exact objective there. Get your 5 high value targets into that position. Once they're in there, your respawn moves up, and then the final advance call comes for you to fight your way onto Fob Zulu. Now the final objective of Fob Zulu, fight your way into Fob Zulu, take control of it again with your high value targets, but this time it changes. Once all 5 of your high value targets are in that fob, no matter what location the rest of your team are in, okay, you will be put onto what we call the last stand, which means at that point you will have your respawn cancelled, you will have no respawn left, and you must survive. Your high value targets, or at least one of them, must survive for 10 minutes while you defend that position. Okay?
So, quick summary of what we're going to be playing. It's a game called Rush. We're attacking, there's 3 maps. Missile Silo, Comm Site, then a map I don't know of. So we have to take over each map and we do that by getting all our whites into each area. Then that becomes our new respawn. Then we advance to the next map until we take over all of the maps.
See him. Go on, closing in on 1. Pardon?
What way have they gone?
They're on our 1. I don't know if it's our team or not though. Yeah, it's their team, but someone's got them.
So, we are getting pretty close. There are loads of people, like on our right, flanking us. We need to try get further into the middle, which is hopefully what will happen soon.
Let you guys see where he is.
Yep.
Do it. Suicide and let everyone see where pellets go from. Are we allowed to suicide and let everyone see where pellets come from? Yeah. Watch where pellets are going to come from. Flanking us right there.
You're right.
He's coming. Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
Get in. Last one. Well done. Let's go. I have a feeling they're going to start pressing us.
You want to come up that way with us?
Yeah. Actually, no. I'm going this way.
Oh, there he is. Look, 5 on the gun.
Well done, whites.
So, we have now taken over the missile silo, so that is our new respawn.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Wait, that means we...
Just run up there and get him as much as you can and then come back.
The next target is the comm site, so that's our next area to take over.
Yeah. We've got.
What happens if a white armband dies?
They respawn.
Oh, with the armband?
Yeah, I should do. Right, okay. All we're trying to do is get a white armband.
Do you mind if I come here?
Yeah, of course.
Where's that at?
Slab, right? Oh, in hard cover, so it's alright.
Yeah.
Taylor? Where's the next BLP area?
It's the com site, just up.
Just up there.
Yeah, past the track.
The boundary out that side is about a fucking mile away. So how the fuck goes round? Literally, that one said it, but...
They are pushing us back.
Yeah, should we push up? Or are they pushing up?
I think they're pushing
Really?
us. I'm staying because I'm not in the mood to get point blank. For some reason my pistol has better range than my actual rifle. They know where I am.
There's a team of 5 right on the right, and they're literally going to pass that line. So I figured if we could squeeze them in, that's why I was thinking it's a bit more space.
What team are they on? Oh, they are our team.
Behind you. Just let you know.
It's close.
One person to the right. Oh, you could hit.
Oh,
Hit!
hit! Hit!
So I had just been hit, I've now respawned at the missile silo, and I'm gonna now go back.
Right side on your left.
They are pushing us back quite a bit. It is a pretty big struggle to get into the com site.
One more and that will bring you. Ready to bag. Dead or alive? Where that's are they?
Got no clue.
Go! That way, that way. Right over there. Watch out, there's red over that way. Yep, right, right. This is the person we need now. Otherwise it's stuck. Right.
I think I've run out of battery.
I think it's right at the moment.
Oh, nice.
Are you white armband?
Nope.
No, am I.
Never would be. White armband equals point of ammo pretty quick, which isn't actually good. Oh no. I'm already out.
Here he is, going to the BBs and pulling in.
Oh.
What are they sending you for?
Oh, come on.
Tell everyone.
Get the message, get the word.
Shoot more, you might hit that. What?
Yeah, if you say grenade, they may fall for it.
That'll be funny. Whereabouts are they though?
So I'm now about to be moving into Bob Zulu. It's called the last area we need to take over.
Shall I throw
So unfortunately I did get hit in there. So I'm now going to be walking back to respawn, and unfortunately that was my last life.
I think I got one of your teammates with a pine cone as a fake grenade. I literally had nothing left. Managed to find my dad though.
Right, so now that I'm out, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this,
Pistols hanging out.
like and subscribe, and maybe the video up top screen, you might like it as well.